Once you've finished setting up your user account, the next step is to head over to Global Settings. These settings apply to all proposals and let you customize your Immersive Proposals instance. The first option is the URL prefix. This defines the actual URL of the published proposal that you'll send to recipients. Just below that is the custom domain setting. This gives you full control over the URL where your proposals are hosted. Enter the subdomain and domain, and it'll autosave and confirm if the format is correct. You'll also find setup instructions for your domain registrar, along with some troubleshooting tips if needed. Next is the primary color setting. This changes the main interface colors, like buttons and accents. You can enter a hex code or use the color picker. Then, do the same for the title banner background color. That's this bar at the top of your proposal documents. Following that is the title banner text color. We'll keep this one white. Then, set the footer background color. The footer background color is at the bottom of the proposal. Set the color here. Further down, you can update the copyright text, which are these items here at the bottom of your proposals, along with the background color behind it. Next is the sidebar logo link to splash page. This is the logo at the top of the document. Clicking it will take users back to your splash page. Then we have the footer logo. This is your company branding that appears at the bottom of proposals. You can upload a new logo or just reuse the one you set up earlier in your company profile. Resize it using the slider if needed. Finally, there are the folder options. These let you create folders to organize your proposals. Here, we'll just create one called Proposals. Once you're happy with everything, click Save, and your interface will instantly update with your new color settings.